What is up, guys? It is Julian from YouTubear bringing you guys another unboxing video, and in today's video we have the DJI Mini 2, the follow-up to the DJI Mavic Mini. So without further ado, let's get unboxing this motherfucker. Am I allowed to say that? I kind of forgot what YouTube is like. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. If I'm not allowed to say that, then I won't anymore. I apologize. But getting the wrapping off of this bad boy, we see that we're presented with a really nice solid box that I'm having difficulty opening because simple things challenge me. But after slightly struggling getting this bad boy open, we're presented with a beautiful drone. Let's get this bad boy out of the box and see what else we got to discover. Oh wow, this is like really light. That's like the first thing that I notice about this, which is a good thing to point out that this drone is rated at 249 grams, meaning that you don't actually have to register with the FAA to fly in the sky. So that means you can get high without going awry. I rhymed. But yeah, moving on from that really bad pun, we've got the user manual, it looks like, and a charger, and some charger adapters, and some extra propellers and screws. Aren't those things exciting? Like, I'm sure this is really why you clicked on the video. Like, look at that, isn't that beautiful? Like, just admire it while I drop it like it's nothing. These things are probably like $30, I imagine. By the way, this video is not sponsored in any way, but DJI, if you want to sponsor me, that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, moving on. These are your adapters for whatever phone you use to plug into the controller. So if you use iPhone, you're going to use one, and if you use Android, you're going to use another. It's really not that complicated. You don't need an idiot like me to tell you these things. But I'm still going to share this video with you anyway. Look at this fucking screwdriver. It's like really nice. Oh, I did it again. Said words I can't say, I don't think, anymore, at least. This is a charger, and this video is family friendly, I swear. Oh, and by the way, it comes with extra thumbsticks in case you're a dumb fuck that breaks thumbsticks. Shit, I'm not allowed to say these things. Can someone clarify in the comments below if I'm allowed to swear? Because making videos again, I really need to clarify if I'm allowed to swear in these videos. Moving on, we've got a controller in here. I know, it's really exciting. Like, I'm surprised if you're still watching this that you haven't clicked off yet. Please don't. It gets kind of interesting, I swear. But yeah, you got a controller. It's a really big, heavy controller. It's heavier than the drone itself. Now, I'd love to say my introduction with this drone was super smooth, and I had a lot of fun and no trouble at all, and everything went as smooth as this basic takeoff shot that I took here and wanted to put in the video, but it didn't. It basically went like this. So yeah, I basically crashed it on the first day within the first hour of owning the damn thing. So to call me a certified drone pilot is a bit of an understatement, but you know what? I'm still gonna try to be good at this. So before I start, showing you all the footage I actually captured with this thing, I thought it was probably a good idea to show you guys how this thing actually unfolds and folds back up, because it's called the Mini, meaning it's real small. You get the point. But to unfold this thing, you basically open the top set of legs first, then the bottom set of legs, and you're off to the races. It might be a good idea to also remove the little cap that comes with it over the camera lens so it can actually move and you can capture stuff with the gyroscope. Now, to fold it back, you just do basically the same thing in reverse. You fold the bottom set of legs first and then the top set, and then put the fucking cap back over it. You notice how I centered myself there. We're getting better at this, and you're off to the races. So before I close out this video, I guess I should actually show you some footage of what the drone looks like in action. Just a little disclaimer, some of the footage that I captured was actually screen captured from the DJI app and not from the camera itself, but I will notate that in the top left there the best that I can, so you guys can see the difference between the DJI screen capture software and the actual drone itself. There are definitely more drone videos to come in the future. I just wanted to, get a feel for what flying was like and, kind of teach myself how to fly so that what happened in the beginning of the video doesn't happen again. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm sure you noticed that there's a bit of a different tone to the video. I'm basically gonna kind of go completely unscripted for the most part and show you my true broken self. So I hope you enjoy it. But yeah, that's really all I have to say. I'm gonna stop mumbling on now. Here's some footage I captured.